Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your password on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the welcome back sentence with your name or your username right here. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or to create your account, of course, or instead of those icons. You'll be able to do even those two options with a Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and it will be even much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself, as I said, here with this home page and with this welcome back sentence. So as we said in the beginning of the video, if you would like to change your password on Etsy websites, simply you would like to go to your account or your account icon just by clicking at your icon here at the top right corner. From here, you would like to click at the account settings here, which is kind of the last option, not sign out. Just go and click on it. And from here, you would like to scroll down a bit until you find this password option. So of course here you'd like to enter your current password. So enter it whatever it is, and of course you would like to enter a new password. Make sure to, as you can see here, we have tips for strong password. You have don't use the previous password, don't use your name or email in the password, use 8 characters, 6 characters minimum, use a mix of numbers and symbols because that will make your password strong and hard to get hacked. So of course here just type the new password, as you can see, until you find this strong option, and of course just enter the same password here. Make sure to enter the same, then hit the change password option. Then you'll be actually good to go, and your password will be changed. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.